Good gracious.
Wow. That was a lot of power. Okay, so that's the V2. The one I had was like a V1.
That got up quick.
Definitely completely different in the power system. And this one's rolling with the 12 blade fan. So let's get this one trimmed out. They said this was every bit of a 100-mile-an-hour airplane. I believe it. Seeing that takeoff.
It got 0 to 80 in like 3 seconds.
Good grief, man. Didn't need anything on the ailerons. Man, super smooth. Half throttle right there, nice and smooth.
It's got a wicked sound to it, when you let off of it.
Yeah.
It kind of reminds you of that Fox glider.
Oh, yeah. And the history of this bird, man, the Me-262 is amazing, so it's nice to fly, you know. Kind of cool. It's a pretty windy day today, and you can see it's handling the wind perfectly. And that's half throttle flying, guys. I haven't even hit full throttle yet.
Well, open her up.
All right, time to open her up. Full throttle. That's what a headwind. It's kind of like a crosswind there. Coming back around. Here we go. Coming up this way. That. Smooth. There we go. Coming around. All right, let's see if we can do a roll with it. How about that? Let's see here. Come back around. Just dipping it around. Full speed pass. Coming around. Dude, it's so agile. It's very. Yep, rolls no problem. Cut the throttle. Glides really nice.
I think I went the wrong way with the zoom, Bobby. Sorry about that, guys.
All right. Setting up for a landing here.